Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram name without Facebook. For this, go for your profile, then go for in this three line option, settings and privacy, go for account center. Now click on connected experiences, click on sharing across profiles. Now choose your Facebook account. After that, you have to turn off all these things from here, then go back, again go back, log in with account, then go for your Facebook account. You have to turn it off again, then go back. After that, you can go to your profile and you can change your name from here. So that's it. This is how you can change your Instagram name without Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.